Hello candidate, myself Namneet. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Firstly, subscribe my channel if you want to boost your score in reading, listening, writing, speaking also, because all my videos has experimented on the candidates who have gotten the desirable band score in very less time. So let's go with the cue card which are running in the present scenario and it is also included in the list of September to December cue cards. So the cue card is about describe a park or garden in your city. How often you go there, where it is, who you go there, what it is like, and explain why you like it to visit. Let's go with the introduction. Undeniably, recreational places hold an indispensable role to devote the spare time in the innovative and constructive way. Although many parks and gardens have been explored by me, here I would like to talk about a park which is being visited by me once in a month for picnic during the weekends, as it cannot be ignored to say that due to hectic schedule, monotonous is brought out, but by visiting this park, I can rejuvenate my fatigued mind because the serene surroundings of the park are very soothing. It is known as a Joggers Park, which is situated in Bathinda. I visit there with my friends and sometimes with my family members for hanging out the time with them by exploring the extraordinary natural beauty in which I feel like I am in the lap of nature. Because many scenic views mesmerize me a lot. Subsequently, many recreational activities are performed by everyone over there, as it is a nice place for jogging, cycling, walking, and workout that gives the good vibes to a person. Simultaneously, I go there by my private vehicle and I also do the meditation over there, which act as a stress buster, because when I open my eyes after meditating, I get real peace that I cannot explain in words because I feel amazing. Lastly, all above reason make it my favorite place to visit again and again. This is a vocabulary that I have used in that cue card. Extraordinary natural beauty that we cannot explore anywhere. This is a unique place where just we can explore ourselves. Ecosystem that is known as a environment. Ambience, it panoramic flora and fauna of the park make must visit this place. Well maintained and organized. The serene surroundings. Serene surrounding means natural beauty. Lap of nature also can be enjoyed over there. Of the park is very soothing. Soothing means it soothes, it gives the deep relaxation to a person. Recreational activities like the activities which we perform in our spare time. Calm and peaceful that give silent views. Interact with the nature, we can interact with the nature and we can familiar with it. Rejuvenate, refresh, fatigue mind, that is exhausted mind. Monotonous, laziness, scenic views that are beautiful views that always soothe our mind and eyes also. Mesmerize means attract. So this is one of the cue card. This was the cue card that is more important for you in order to learn. So if you want to get the another cue cards in the upcoming videos, please subscribe my channel and follow my all videos. Thank you so much.